Hi, this is Seth Miller, and welcome to our February edition of our video blog. Today we're going to talk about some case-related things, some policy-related things, and some fundraising-related things. First and foremost, we'd like to wish you all a happy holiday. Hope that you've fully recovered from your holiday season. As you remember, we had told you in some of our previous video blogs about our client Derrick Williams. Derrick was convicted of a Manatee County rape back in the 1990s, and we got DNA testing in Derrick's case. Now, we DNA tested a shirt that was left by the perpetrator in the victim's car after the rape. Our DNA testing results showed that on the armpit areas and the collar of this t-shirt, there was DNA from someone that was not Derrick Williams that demonstrated that Derrick was not wearing the shirt at the time of the rape, and of course then he was not the one who raped the victim and left it in the victim's car. Now, back in the summer, we filed a motion to have his conviction overturned and to have him get a new trial based on that evidence. In addition, we made another claim related to the state's unlawful destruction of key evidence in his case that wasn't kept in the same place as this t-shirt for all those years. Now, we had expected that we were going to go to a hearing in January, and of course that didn't happen. We had to continue the hearing, and that's going to take place in March, the middle of March, and we're hoping at a time to be able to prove up to the judge that Derrick is innocent, of course, that the state unlawfully destroyed key pieces of evidence, both the rape kit and hair evidence that already didn't match Derrick, so that we can get a new trial on that claim as well. So please keep Derrick in your hearts and in your minds, and we're going to do the very best we can to get him out of prison. Also, stay tuned in a number of other cases, because we have some DNA test results that should be coming out soon, and we're hoping a lot that those are good results and that we can report to you that we'll hopefully be getting someone else out of prison as well. Also in January, the Innocence Commission had another meeting to discuss the problems of witness misidentification. Now, you'll remember that the Florida Innocence Commission is a body of 23 members. It's ostensibly a nonpartisan commission that was designed to come up with recommendations for reform of the criminal justice system to prevent wrongful convictions before they happen in the future. Now, they've taken on what is the greatest cause of wrongful convictions, witness misidentification. They've been talking about it for basically 6 months. They've heard from all kinds of experts and all kinds of practitioners on how we need to change the way we do witness identification procedures to make them less suggestive and therefore more reliable. And so the Commission is hoping to come up with recommendations very soon to be able to make to the legislature to make a uniform statewide law that would tell law enforcement agencies how they have to do witness identification procedures, so we can diminish the number of misidentifications that lead to wrongful convictions. It's been somewhat of a contentious process, but it's coming to an end, and we're hoping that the Commission can come up with a good recommendation that reflects the best practices that everybody agrees on. After they get through with witness misidentification, they'll be moving on to other issues such as false confessions, the use of jailhouse informant testimony, invalidated forensic practices, as well as attorney professionalism, which would include defense lawyering as well as prosecutorial misconduct. Now, in February, we're doing some cool events. We're having, well, actually, we're not having it, but students at the Florida State University College of Law in the ACLU group, as well as the Student Bar Association, are putting on a fundraiser for the Innocence Project of Florida. It will have taken place on February 3rd, 2011, and we'll have more updates about that on our blog, and you can probably see some pictures of it. And we're hoping to raise a little bit of money, but more importantly, raise awareness about our project. So with that, there's nothing left else to report. We will see you next month. If you'd like additional information about our project, you can go to www.floridainnocence.org, where you can get all information on our cases and on various issues related to wrongful convictions. And if you want to keep up with a running conversation about criminal justice issues, you can visit our blog, Plain Error, which is also there as well. You can also find plenty of links to donate or contribute to our cause on our website. So with that, we'll see you next month.